My name is Diana Valle. I'm an attorney and I practice law in the state of Maryland and the District of Columbia. The reason I'm making this video is because I wanted to briefly talk about child support, just kind of basically discuss how it works. In the state of Maryland and in other states, both parents have an obligation to support their child, and that depends on the amount of time they have their child and their respective incomes. In Maryland, it's a complicated calculation, which I believe is currently changing. There are some changes going on to the calculations, and I wouldn't really be able to explain them because it's a lot of math involved, and you get bored. So basically, in terms of obligating somebody, a parent who's not paying, to pay child support, what you have to do is file a complaint for child support. Because if you don't file, then even though they have the obligation, you can't make them pay unless you file a complaint for child support. And you can do that through a private attorney, hiring them and paying them, or you can do it through the Office of Child Support. And you don't have to pay them. It's completely free. So you have those two options. If you don't have resources, I would recommend going to the Office of Child Support. If you need to do a lot of maybe income digging and you can afford to do so, maybe hire a private detective, then it's probably best to hire a private attorney if you can do so. Now, the actual amount of child support, that amount is calculated from the day you file your complaint. So if you filed in July of 2018 and your case is finally decided July of 2019, 1 year, you have that whole 12 months of back child support because it begins from the day you filed. So it's important, if you are in need of child support, or your child, I should say, and the parent is not paying, the other parent, you should immediately file. And even during these times when the courts aren't really open, you can still file complaints. You'll get your date stamped complaint. So you will say that this is the day I filed it. So the child support arrears, the back to child support should begin at this day. Do not wait until this quarantine is over. Okay, so hopefully that information was helpful. If you do have any questions, please give me a call, 301-760-4204. 301-760-4204. Thanks, bye.